Okay, students, today we will discuss 5th class English. Now we came from first unit, Let's Be Friends, worksheet 1. These all are bridging gap activities are completed. Now we come into the lessons, first unit. Okay, what is this? This is the Let's Be Friends face sheet. Here is a naughty boy. He is called Hari. He is always pinching others and he is teasing. All students are afraid of this boy. They away from this boy. Okay, here circle the words related to above the picture. Okay, here some words are given in these lines. We circle it related to above picture. Hari, his name is Hari. Okay, Hari is there. Pinching means he is pinching him. Pinching also have in this picture. Class, this is a classroom. Okay, this is also related to that picture. Okay, prickling is not related to this picture. Bench, here is the bench. This is also related to picture. Playing, not playing here. They are watching and he is pinching. Board is not here. Another it maybe have another side. Every classroom have board necessary, but that is not shown in this picture. Okay, leave it. Naughty is the naughty boy. That's why we round circle it. Hari is a naughty boy. Crying. He is crying. Hari pinching. This boy is crying. Laughing. Who is laughing? Hari is laughing. He is enjoying. Laughing. Basketball. There is no basketball. Bread. There is no bread also. Watching. Yes, they are watching. Shouting. Who is shouting? This boy is shouting because of Hari is pinching him. Okay, let's write the action words related to the picture. What are the actions are going on? They are watching, he is pinching, he is crying, he is laughing, he is he is shouting. Okay, write down here pinching, 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 and this boy is crying, he is laughing, laughing, laughing. They are watching, 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 and this boy is crying and shouting. Don't pinching me, they shouted. Shouting. They are standing or teasing also. Hari is teasing that boy. Okay, these are the action words related to this picture. Okay, students, thank you for watching.